Hello creators and welcome back. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Shayna and I'm the owner of Krause Kreations. In today's video, I'm going to be introducing you to the Hoopmaster Home Edition hooping station. Stick around. The Home Edition station is not going to be compatible with any of your Mighty Hoops. So who exactly would need a hooping station that is designed like this? So you have your hoop right here. If you see this part right here that's attached to the bracket, if you have one that looks like this, or if you have one that looks like this, or if you have one that looks like this, those styles of attachments are going to be compatible with the Home Edition Hoopmaster. So what all does your Hoopmaster Home Edition come with straight out of the box? Well, this is my hoop, so it doesn't come with this. You're going to get your hooping station. It's going to come with one bracket, and it's going to come with two little blocks. If you have any questions about the Home Edition hooping station, please call the number that's listed in the description. Until next time, bye!